Hey, I'm Leif Sorgel, a technology and engineering teacher at Peru High School in upstate New York. I wanted to comment on how wonderful an experience I've had this past year when my high school allowed me to invest in a Tormach CNC mill for our high school technology and engineering program. If you're looking for an industry-grade experience at a price point that can fit within a school budget, this gives that opportunity. I can't say enough of how it exposed students to a world of machining and manufacturing that was not known to them. We deal with and live with parts and products that are made on this type of equipment, a CNC machine, every part of our lives throughout our entire day, and it's a mystery to a lot of people as to how that's designed and manufactured. We've used it in small projects in my applied STEM classes like Principles of Engineering. We maybe are cutting foam or plastics or wood, to more advanced products like in my manufacturing class or my power mechanics class, where we can cut aluminum and steel parts to be then used on actual robots. Do a tool path. The greatest thing I think that's not known to a lot of people about the company Tormach is they have an online simulator of their software. So although we have one of these fancy machines in the room, with cheaper Chromebook computers or anything that's browser-based, even like an iPad, students can create an account and program parts to be made on the mill with their own personal device. And when they're ready to use the machine, they can step up and log into their account and their file's all set up for them. So that experience can be extended to a larger group of students.